very proud to be in Israel during this historic moment. I felt safe the whole time. We were like a big community.
Even though it's been a terrible situation to be in, we've been very grateful to have each other. And also a lot of the group leaders with Taglit have done an amazing job making sure that we feel safe.
Welcome to Ashdod Port. We are about to get on the ferry towards Cyprus.
I'm extremely honored that Israel has taken such care of us while we've been here. There's nothing like being in Israel at this moment and the time and the part of history that we're a part of.
We have a sense of achdut right now. We are one arm, one nation, and we truly, truly feel it right now in this moment.
We're happy to be safe, but also kind of sad because we consider Israel our homeland, and we're leaving a little piece of us here as we leave.